Keeping ticket backlogs under control with automations is crucial for any team that's dealing with a growing influx of requests. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that, so stick with me until the end for an exclusive offer you don't want to miss. You've probably faced overwhelming ticket backlogs that slow down response times and impact customer satisfaction. The good news is, you don't have to tackle this manually anymore. By using automations, you can streamline your support workflow, prioritize tickets, and reduce the stress of managing your inbox. First, let's talk about ticket triage. One of the most effective ways to automate ticket management is by setting up automated ticket routing. This ensures that each ticket is directed to the right team member based on specific criteria, like urgency or topic. You can set up triggers that automatically assign tickets based on keywords, customer type, or even the time the ticket was created. This way, no ticket is ever left unaddressed, and your team can focus on what's most important. Next, let's dive into setting up canned responses. This is one of the simplest automations you can use to manage your ticket backlogs. Canned responses let you reply instantly to common issues or frequently asked questions without having to type out the same response every time. You can set up templates for common inquiries, like password resets or basic troubleshooting, so your team can respond faster and clear out those backlogs more efficiently. But it doesn't stop there. Another key automation to implement is ticket prioritization. Automating your ticket priority ensures that the most urgent issues are handled first. You can set up automations that prioritize tickets based on urgency or customer tier. For instance, if you have a VIP customer who needs help, their ticket can automatically be marked as high priority, reducing the chances of them waiting in a queue. You'll also want to leverage auto-escalation. Sometimes tickets get lost in the shuffle, or certain issues require more immediate attention. With auto-escalation, tickets that haven't been responded to within a specific time frame can be automatically escalated to a higher level support team member. This ensures no ticket gets forgotten and customers aren't left waiting longer than they should. Now, you might be wondering, how do I implement all of this? I've tested many popular software options, but I'm recommending the software we're using in this tutorial because it works incredibly well for this purpose. It's customizable, easy to set up, and highly effective at keeping your ticket backlog under control. The best part? I've arranged an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. Check the description below to grab it. To wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Automating your ticket routing using canned responses, setting up automatic ticket prioritization, and enabling auto-escalation are powerful strategies to keep ticket backlogs under control. These automations will not only save you time, but also improve your team's efficiency and customer satisfaction. Remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below to see how the software can help you tackle ticket backlogs more effectively. Thanks for watching.